Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to present you a new brand of the product that I have been choosing to buy. I've been choosing this a belt grinder sander. It's have with the stones and the belt also. It's a good price and I have seen many people be happy with. But let's open in time we talk and let's see what it's inside, because that we got for. I'm really curious to see. Before that, I want to ask you guys, leave my opinion about this brand, because it's my first product and maybe I'm gonna choose to buy more. And I want to know opinion of a professional watch. Maybe I need to see and learn more things about it. This brand looks to be a good one in the last period. This I think is kind of protection for the stone parts, but it's coming with plastic, with tight and all that kind. It's another part with some screws. There is a manual book with instruction, warranty and all that. Let's keep it there. Whoa, I'm really excited about this machine. And that's the machine. And I think it's all what it's inside. Yes, of course. Let's take the box out and pull this machine here. I'm happy like a child with all my new tools. This is the connection cable. I don't know if I should start it here in the studio or if I should wait, maybe. Okay, we finish up to install all the stuff. I think this one, these two, the plastic one, we have it. They are not really good quality, so I hope the engine is made very good quality and hold us for much longer than I expected. If any one of you have this machine brand, whatever machine, doesn't matter it to be exactly this one, I hope you let me know in the comments, and others watchers, about this brand, about their engine stuff, how it's made, if it's good quality, it hold all longer or not, because I have no idea yet. I have not been using this brand yet, so actually I think it's good. But this one, I can see they are poor, and I couldn't put this one too because it was too small, the screw fit in there, and there looks, this one is more, a little bit more stable, but when you want to using for some sanding some parts of wood to that, it's moving. And if I'm tightening more, I'm thinking the screw inside that's made by iron is not really connected to this plastic, so if I tighten more, we'll get away from the plastic. So they could improve something about this. We have here this, so we can pull away the, I don't know, this I think it's too tight. And this one is to take off the belt. It's, like you see, it's letting me to take it off. Actually, I don't know where it should be taken off. Yeah, I think we have two screws here, and with this red one right here, we unscrew and take this part away, and then we just making like this. We take this one off, we put another one. So this is really okay. I think it's made right here, so holding us this belt not going away. For example, we really need to put it in. maybe the engineers need to improve a little bit the quality of this and finding a way to take it faster, this one. So you don't need, for example, if you send something, some small parts of wood, and you want to take it from to get some more thin, from the bigger to more thin of this bell, then you need to change it maybe 3 times, for example to K40, K80, K120, and maybe you want to send something more, like 240, 320, so on, and you need to change this belt for some parts much more often. And to stay to unlock by this, let's actually try, because I really need this, but I don't have a screwdriver right now, so maybe it's better to wait and give a try. The consumption of this, it's telling us that is 250 watts. That is not really much. It's made by Germany, so I expect to be very good quality. If it's made in Germany, I hope it's just not built up there, and also the engineer and all that, they make it's from there. So yeah, guys, let others know about these brands, the red brands, what quality they have, because I'm going to test, and if I see any issue or anything, I'm just going to make another video review opinion about this.